Something that started in a garage has been going now for 30 years and is still developing thanks to enormous passion that will last forever.
You say everything, everything's just perfect. Everything's fine.
We are a very important part of the rotomoulding world. The Carousel machine is our pride, our quality hallmark. We set this course based on the rich experience of our specialists, people who know what to do.
You say everything's just
Safety is one of the highest priorities for us. Our dual thermocirculator guarantees more effective and regular heating of molds, whereas Siemens servo motors guarantees smooth movement and perfect positioning. Cooling is a key element. A closed chamber allows maximum control at the highest quality. So your products can be perfect. 2 versions with the same quality and common approach, all adjusted to your production needs with the option to choose between a gas or electric system. Experience, involvement, and the heart and soul we put into our work with the best suppliers translates into reliability. We help companies at every level because for us, precision in the process is what matters most.